You guys, I'm so upset. I just lost a ton of burp footage. Like 10 minutes worth. Diet Coke is my all-time favorite. If I'm like riding the dick really hard and like giving it my all, like twerking like a porn star, whatever, or he's just like holding me like bah, 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 like pounding, it does what I like to call the soda can. Like it shakes me up like a soda can, and then sometimes I'll get sick for like hours, like after we had sex. And then yeah, I just kind of have to sit there on my hands and knees naked and literally drink like ginger ale or Diet Coke or